Today, we're more aware than ever that sustainability isn't just a nice to have, it's a license to operate. We've made good progress since introducing our sustainability agenda HorizonNOW in 2021, including switching to 100% renewable electricity and expanding our product portfolio for recyclable packaging. But the pace of climate change and the related environmental and economic challenges demand more. Business requires a healthy and socially just environment to operate in. An unsustainable surrounding leads to increased costs for businesses in the long term. That's why sustainability remains a crucial factor for us in ensuring competitive growth, now and in the future. With HorizonNOW 2030, we've launched a new 5-year plan, which is a strategic upgrade to our sustainability agenda. It now connects every step of our business to a sustainable packaging future, from procurement to operations to product innovation, ensuring that we cover the full scope of sustainability challenges and opportunities. Besides, sustainability now gets further embedded into regional business responsibilities. This ensures that our sustainability agenda is not just a global policy, but becomes a local reality in all our regions. Sustainable procurement is where the story begins. You cannot create sustainable products without sustainable raw materials. Under HorizonNOW 2030, we're going beyond just buying green ingredients. We want to build a supplier base that is willing to transform and become more sustainable. Through our SustainUP program, we're guiding our suppliers on a transformational journeys focused on 2 pillars. Number 1, human and labor rights, and number 2, climate action. By 2030, we aim to reduce high-risk suppliers by 95% and cut our Scope 3 emissions by 25%. We're strongly committed to making our supply chain not just compliant, but truly responsible for the long term. Our overall goal is to operate without negatively influencing people or planet, while decoupling emissions from our business growth to ensure future sustainability. That's why we're actively working to reduce our environmental footprint while strengthening workplace safety and inclusion. This includes reducing our Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 60% by 2030, while maintaining 100% renewable electricity across all our sites. We also aim to reduce operational waste by 10% relative to our production volumes and keep our total incident rate below 1, reinforcing our safety-first mindset. Besides, we're committed to enhance diversity within our teams by increasing the ratio of women in leadership roles to 30%. However, it's not just about achieving numbers, but also about fostering a culture that empowers our employees to contribute and find ways to save resources every day. A very central role. Our inks and coatings are only one part of packaging, but they can make a real difference for circularity and overall packaging performance. So, sustainable product innovation is at the heart of our mission. By 2030, we want 65% of all products sold to enable circular packaging. We want our products to help customers transition towards recyclable, reusable, and resource-efficient packaging. At the heart of sustainable products is data, which allows us to guide our sustainable design choices and creates transparency towards our customers. This includes, among other, circular economy assessment and product carbon footprint data. That's why we design our solutions for circularity right from the beginning. By launching a data-backed sustainable product assessment, we not only want to validate claims on circularity, carbon, and safety, We also increase transparency and ensure that sustainability becomes an integral part of every new ink and coating formulation. Overall, we're committed to innovation that makes sustainability the standard, not the exception. My PhD research is motivated by the conviction that the transition to circular packaging needs to include a social perspective. The research focused on marginalized workers in informal recycling in Kenya, whom I've worked with locally and under inclusion of other value chain partners from recyclers to brand owners. It established a clear link between workers on dump sites and small recycling plants that are stuck in a survival economy and global recycling and recycled content ambitions of global brands. It once again made it unmistakably clear that true sustainability isn't just about technology and materials, it's about people. Seeing the systemic injustice these workers face reinforced my belief that a just transition is non-negotiable. This personal experience reinforced the understanding that companies have a significant role to play in just transitions, as they rely on workers around the globe that deserve better. It's not enough to be green. We must create and distribute shared value. Sustainability without social justice is incomplete, and that is the lens through which I lead our agenda. It's about enabling packaging that is holistically sustainable, not just recyclable.